Hey guys, it's Charles with Bona Tech and Training. Today we'll be talking about power drive accessories, specifically the Bona Wirebrush kit. You'll see right here, we have the hand tool. That's going to be used to get in any tight areas where your machines cannot. Right here you have your 7-in-1 tool. Makes it really useful to get off your pucks versus trying to pry those off with your hands. You'll see here that it comes with 5 pucks, 4 for your power drive plate, and then 1 for your DeWalt grinder and the attachment that comes with that. That's going to be used to kind of get on any edges or in any corners that your big machine cannot, your power drive. Here are the Tinex brushes. Think of these as a feather cut to the Wirebrush heavy cut. So that's the Bona Wirebrush kit. For any other questions or comments, call Bona Tech Support.